making this tutorial for those people who have like the freakishly tall or short models for MMD, and then once they put in the camera and the camera's either literally above their head or at their chest. And by that, let me show you some examples of that really quick. Okay, and to literally fix that, it's really easy. You don't need to like go into the motion and edit it. All you gotta do is go into the camera, select all the camera, and this is what you want to select. Multiply of camera frame position angle. And for if your model's tall, actually let me do this really quick. Gonna go to that frame, do the same thing that I just told you. If your model's too tall for the motion, you're gonna add, at least go up one, or go up as much as you can right here for me, because my model's height is like a little bit taller than a normal TDA model. And you want to put it where the camera's supposed to be, and you can easily see the difference within the once you play the motion. See that actually makes it big improvement on the video. And it's kind of the same way, but you're gonna do the opposite for short models. So go to that frame, make sure you select all the camera, multiply the whatever that thing is called, but instead of adding one, you're gonna add a negative. You're gonna keep going until your model's in that frame where it's supposed to be. And let's say if you go a little bit more than you're supposed to, just say if you went down a little bit more, just add one more, or just add one and it'll fix it. That's all you need to do to fix it. And then you just press play. And that's basically it for this tutorial. It's just to make your video look actually like a little bit better than how you would normally make a video. Instead of just slapping everything on, you can edit it a little bit more, make sure the model's in the frame, and then that's it. And to end this video, I'm just gonna put a comparison between the two.
この世で造花より綺麗な花はないわ。なぜならば全ては嘘でできてる。アンティパシーは絶望の 雨は私の傘をついて湿らす前髪と心の裏面煩わしいわいつしかことの葉は通り顔で切ってことの目が私に売れてる鏡に映り嘘を描いて自らを見失ったメイクパパラパパラパパパ謎謎数えて遊びましょうタタタラタンタラタンタンタンなぜなぜここで踊ってるでしょう簡単なこともわからないわ私ってなんだっけそれすら夜の手に戻されて愛のようにさよならも言えるまま泣いたフォニーフォニーフォニー嘘に絡まっている私はフォニーアンティパシーはいつしか空の願い屋になり合って色の目